We just got done with Harvest Manor, house number 1 here, built by Jerry's. 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, just a little over 3,200 square feet above grade. Nice bar downstairs, really unique features. Mason, what was your favorite part of the house?
So you said there was a bar downstairs, but there was actually a built-in movie theater, okay? I think that has to be my first best part about it. I love movies growing up as a kid. Second thing that I really like about the home, these bricks are actually coming from Beaverdale, so I love that aspect. I think they're kind of building in some sentiment.
What'd you think of that pass-through?
There's like a his and her spot. Everything's designated to where everyone has their own room. So I like the pass-through because it makes it easier to walk through.